Trapped in your thoughts, you're not alone. Do you ever feel like your mind is a runaway train? It jumps from one worry to the next. You replay conversations endlessly, dissecting every word. This is overthinking, and it's more common than you think. Millions of us struggle with it. We get stuck in cycles of negative thoughts. This steals our joy and keeps us from living fully. It's like a thief in the night, robbing us of peace and sleep. Overthinking can feel isolating, but you're not alone. Many people struggle with it. It's important to remember that your thoughts are not facts. Just because you think something doesn't make it true. We often create worst-case scenarios in our minds. This only fuels our anxiety. Overthinking can be exhausting and unproductive. It can keep you up at night, worrying about things that may never happen. All that mental energy could be used for enjoying life. Don't let overthinking control you. You are stronger than your thoughts. Fear not. Reality check time. Overthinking thrives on fear. We imagine the worst possible outcomes. We convince ourselves that bad things are inevitable. This kind of thinking is distorted and unhelpful. It's like looking at the world through a funhouse mirror. Everything is exaggerated and out of proportion. Ask yourself, is this fear realistic? Challenge your negative thoughts. Often, our fears are unfounded. They are based on assumptions, not facts. When you find yourself spiraling into a pit of worry, hit the pause button. Take a deep breath and assess the situation objectively. Ask yourself, what is the evidence for this thought? Is there another way to look at this situation? Remember, most of the things we worry about never even happen. Don't believe everything you think. Our minds are powerful, but they can also be our own worst enemies. We tend to believe our thoughts without question. This is where we go wrong. Just because we think something doesn't make it true. Start to observe your thoughts without judgment. Notice how often you engage in negative self-talk. Are you constantly criticizing yourself? Do you focus on your flaws and ignore your strengths? Challenge these negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. You are worthy, capable, and deserving of happiness. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You have the power to choose which thoughts to believe and which to let go of. Start questioning the validity of your negative thoughts. Are they based on facts or simply on fear and insecurity? Train your mind, change your life. You can train your mind to stop overthinking. It takes practice and commitment, but it's possible. One effective technique is mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you find yourself overthinking, try a grounding exercise. Focus on your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? This will bring you back to the present moment and help quiet your mind. Another helpful technique is journaling. Write down your worries and anxieties. This will help you to process them and let them go. Remember, you don't have to believe everything you think. You have the power to choose your thoughts and create a more peaceful and joyful life. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on mastering calm.